At present, I am going to showing simple object tracing and also how to make tough images converted into simple method. Those who are using Adobe Illustrator, most of them knows simple vector tracing, but most of them did not know how tracing these type of two images. Adobe Illustrator helps you to make images converted into object tracing with the help of tools. First, I will show you how to make simple object tracing with the support of Adobe Illustrator. So, I am here showing all of them how we use the best method. Here I am going select this one, click into object, image trace, make expand. See what happened? Image is converted into vector. That means you can give any colors. Now we are going to another image to convert as a vector, and click in object and select images trace, make expand. See the difference? Totally failed compared to previous one. Why this happened? Because in this logo the images are not visible and the colors are mixing, and the background also black with gray. So we are using another method with the support of Adobe Photoshop. Okay, now I am going to trace these images. How it possible? So first I will copy from here, edit, copy, then open the Photoshop, file, create a new file, new. Then you have to go edit, paste the object, make it invert. So we have to use Ctrl I. This is invert. See, again I am using like this. So Ctrl I. Then you have to go image, adjustment. Before adjustment, we have to change mode, grayscale. We have to change the object in grayscale. Then only exposure will show. So images, adjustment, exposure. Then you just look here what happened. Then you have to copy, select this object, edit, copy, you paste here, edit, paste. There is some changes. If you make the vector format, you have to, there is some changes. See this, there are some areas you have to remove, and select the object. You have to do some rules. You have to select the pathfinder, make it divide. Why we make divide? See, this white area is already there, is mixed, so we have to remove that one. Now we are going to another little bit tough, another method. We are going to this one. Here what is the problem? Actually this white area to not possible. So first we will check here, select this one. The same method we are using. Select the object, edit, copy, then we are going to Photoshop, create a new file, new. We are making again Control I, invert, and there is some changes we need. First we are going to cut the black area. Now we are going to image, grayscale is already done, adjustment, exposure. Now you can use any color. See, here also some problem. Let's remove that one because we made already divide. See, this is the real work. Now you can change any color what you wish. So red, magenta, and green. Like this you can do that. This is the method. So I hope all are enjoyed